Hello, welcome to the Smart Tech-to-Tech video series on the SmartBoard M600 Interactive Whiteboard. This fifth session will serve as a guide to understanding basic maintenance, troubleshooting, and diagnostics. We will discuss cleaning the SBM600, status lights, messages, the Smart Settings menu, and toolbars of the SmartBoard M600 Interactive Whiteboard. The Select button light with the Intelligent Pen Tray option indicates the status of the interactive whiteboard. The Select button's light is solid white when the system is working properly. Without Smart Education software installed, tools such as the pens are unavailable, but you can move the mouse pointer and perform mouse functions by touching the interactive surface. This will be indicated by a flashing white light. Solid amber is an indicator of a firmware update in progress. In this case, leave the unit on until the amber status changes. If you're experiencing erratic behavior, you can reset your interactive whiteboard by disconnecting and then reconnecting the power cable. This turns the power off and back on, restarting all components of your interactive whiteboard. If you find that your SmartBoard Tools icon has an X on the lower right-hand corner of the icon, this means your computer does not see the SBM600 connected. Be sure the power is on and the cables are connected. The connection wizard shown here will verify basic communication between the computer and the SmartBoard. You will notice the status message in the lower portion of the Smart Settings window. This message gives you an indicator of where to start the diagnostic process. A limited functionality message may occur with one or more camera failures. To access the SmartBoard M600 Diagnostics toolbar, select the SmartBoard icon, navigate to Smart Settings, and to the Smart Diagnostics window as shown here. Select View from the menu bar and select the SBM600 toolbar to gain access to the calibration, flash, and troubleshooting features. Smart Diagnostic logs a variety of information, including errors, raw and processed information from the DSP controller, and other related messages regarding the M600's performance. Additional information or data can be added to the window by checking Other Logging Options under the Message tab. For example, show verbose or XY data. These options provide greater detail during servicing, as well as supporting extensive troubleshooting by Smart's technical support. Technicians can quickly capture computer configuration and detailed firmware information by using the Report tab of Smart Diagnostics. Other options for collecting information from the Smart Diagnostic log include Windows Snipping Tool and Smart Notebooks Screen Capture. The trace test provides a visual representation of the XY coordinates that are reported in the Smart Diagnostic log when contact is made with the M600's interactive surface. As you draw vertical and horizontal lines to form a grid, breaks indicate a possible constant or intermittent point of contact resulting from camera performance issues. For example, debris covering or in contact with one of the cameras or retro-reflective bezels. The SmartBoard service supports communication between the user's computer and the SBM. Although not needed very often, by selecting Start from the Service tab, communication can be initiated without restarting the M600 and the computer's operating system. The SmartBoard M600 interactive whiteboard includes one comprehensive diagnostic displayed as a visual representation reflecting the overall health of the Digital Vision Technology, or DVI-T cameras. In closing, if you have further questions regarding diagnostics for the SmartBoard M600 interactive whiteboard, please check SMART's Support Center at the listed URL. Search the knowledge base using the available filters and keywords, or contact SMART's technical support using one of the listed options. Thanks again for viewing the 5th session in the SMART Tech to Tech video series on the SmartBoard M600 interactive whiteboard.